Hi everyone, we're going to talk about perspective taking. We're going to read through this and then we'll look at a scenario. Being able to make smart guesses about what other people are thinking and what they may say are key social skills. These smart guesses will help you determine whether the actions or words that you want to say or do towards someone are appropriate for that time or situation. If they are actions that may hurt someone's feelings and may make others have negative responses toward us, then they are not appropriate. If they will make others feel good and may make others engage in positive responses toward us, then they are appropriate. So we want to remember we need to be thinking about our actions and thinking about how it impacts other people. Okay, so when we talk about perspective, we're taking the perspective of someone else. Here's our scenario. What are they thinking? Frank is playing a card game by himself. He had made up his own game and was having a lot of fun. Here's Frank. Samaya sits next to him. As he plays his game, Samaya interrupts him and tells him that he is playing the game wrong. She does this over and over again. So Frank is here, he made up his own game, he's having fun. And then Samaya says, "Wait, you're playing it wrong. Play it this way instead." What do you think Frank is thinking right now? Is it this? I should ask Samaya if she wants to play with me. She needs to leave me alone. I am fine playing by myself. Or the last one, I should listen to her. She'll let me know how to play this game correctly. So which one do you think that Frank is thinking right now? This is what he's thinking in his head. Now, what will they say? So again, Frank is playing a card game by himself. He had made up his own game and was having a lot of fun. Samaya sits next to him. As he plays his game, Samaya interrupts him and tells him that he is playing the game wrong. She does this over and over again. So here he is playing. Here's Samaya. She says, "Wait, you're playing it all wrong. Play it this way instead." So what is Frank going to say? "It's good. I've got this." "Oh, really? What move should I do next?" Or the last one, "You're right. I'm totally playing it wrong. Can you show me what to do?" So remember, perspective taking, she's thinking about herself. She's not really thinking about how Frank might be feeling. But what might Frank say if he was taking the perspective of Samaya and wanted to react kindly? So which do you think is the best one? So you're going to answer both for what will he think and what will he say in your assignment on Schoology. Good luck.